Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. This time I'm going to demonstrate to you how we could add resources online. So first thing is that I'll be logging in as teacher. Okay, so I have now logging in as teacher, so let's wait for a while. So here is my dashboard. You go to your course, so let's say, by the way, I forgot to include something in our grade book. So before I discuss the linking online, I would like to go back to the grade book. Okay. So last time I've discussed about the grade book configuration. This one here. So let's go back to the grade book. You might have noticed. So let's go to setup. You might notice that under this section you'll have 300 points. So it should not be 300, but we're going to get the graded mean of the grades. In order for you to configure that, under the course name, in this case LMS training, click here the edit menu and then click edit settings. Okay, now under this area, go to look for the aggregation section. What I would like you to do is to select here weighted mean of grades. Okay. After that, save changes. Since I updated already my grade book here, so instead of you seeing here 300 rather, you're going to have here only 100. Now, let's say if I go back to my grade book here, let's say homework, quizzes, and project has a certain weight or percentage. So in order for us to update it, so let's say homework is about 20% of the grade. So what I would like you to do is to select this one, type here 20, quizzes is about 30%, and then project it's about 50%. So you can edit this one here and then save change. Okay. So from there, after you save changes, we will now have percentage of the different categories for homeworks, quizzes, and then projects. Okay, so again, it is essential that you configure your gradebook before you try to add resources such as exams, quizzes, and assignments to your course. Okay. So I hope you could able to follow this. So for this video, I'm going to demonstrate to you how we could add resources to our course. So I'll go back to my dashboard. I will be showing to you another course that I have here. It's demo course. So this is another course that I have created. So last time I've demonstrated to you how we could add files to our canvas here. So before you do that, please make sure that you turn editing on. Okay, and then you can simply drag and drop the file. So let me show that again. Open your Finder. So in my case, I'm opening up my Finder, and then here on my desktop, I'll go to resources. Now these are the different resources that is available. Okay, so if you like to again drop, let's say open a file, let's say this one is module 1, you have two options. You could simply click, hold, and then drag to this section here, and then you could just edit the name if you like, and then please make sure that you click here edit settings and then scroll down to the page and then look for activity completion, look for completion tracking, and then select the third option and then save and return to course. Okay, so you could either drag and drop the file or you could simply manually upload it. Now, since you don't have the file with you all the time, it would be best that you will have your files on the cloud or in the cloud. Sagrada is offering us the Google email. Okay, so hopefully you have your own email address already. So I would like you to log into your email account Then once you have logged in, this is the mdsf.edu.ph account that is given to you. Now I have here my page, and then what I would like to do is to go to this section here, click this Google Apps section, and then go to Drive. So your Google Drive now will be loaded. Okay, so I have already pre-populated some of the resources that I have here. So here I have a folder, and then inside the folder I have here the following subfolders. It's the same as what I have here in my local computer. Okay, now let's say I would like to upload the syllabus coming from the online site. To do that, so instead of me uploading it locally here, this one here, I will create a link coming from online. To do that, just select the file and then select this icon. Once you have selected that icon, you have to enable sharing. Click on this one and then copy the file here. You could also look into some of the sharing options. Okay, so these are some of the sharing options. Let's say advanced. If you like to have someone update the file for you, you could change the settings here. But right now, what we're interested is to get the shareable link. Copy the file. Okay, so I have now this as a shareable link. Then you go back to your course. I'm going back to my course, and then this time click on add an activity or resource. Scroll down. Okay, and then at the last section here, you're going to see URL. Click the URL and then add. So this window will appear. You just type here course syllabus there, and then paste the URL here. You could also provide a description. This is the course syllabus. Okay, syllabus, and then please make sure that you also tick this section if you like to have the description posted on your course page. Okay, after that, scroll down. So let's look into some of the configurations here. So here we have the display that is automatic. Okay, let's go here. So activity completion, scroll down, and then again show activity is completed. Make sure that you tick this one, save and return to course. Okay, that's it. So I have here, this is the course syllabus that is to be retrieved from the Google Drive, from your Google Drive. Okay, so again, if you like to view how on the student side, please make sure that you click this profile or this link here, switch role to, and then student. You will now be able to see the student view. Okay, since we click turn editing on, you'll be seeing this box here. Currently it's not checked because we have not yet opened the file. So let's click on the course syllabus here. Once you click on the course syllabus, it will automatically redirect us to the file, in this case the PDF file coming from your Google Drive. Okay, so this is the file that we have here. Same. Okay, now to go back, just click on back. Okay, and that's it. Then you can add additional items to your course. Let's go back to return to normal role. Okay, now you can also get links such as PowerPoint files. So let's go back again to my Google Drive. So under the resources, I have here PPTs. Let's say we want to get PowerPoint 2. Just select the file, click on this shareable link, get shareable link, share this one, then copy it, Control C, or Command C. Then after that, you go back again to your course. Now, please make sure that you turn editing on. Okay, it resets every time that you check the if you switch roles. Okay, so let's say we want to place the module 2 under this section. Click this one. Then you need to scroll down here, and then you have your URL, add, and then simply type here module, okay, module 2, paste the link, write a short description. This is module 2. Click on this one here, and then scroll down, activity to completion, show activity as completed when conditions are met, and then save and return to course. Okay, now, so we have this file already. So another way for us, we could also embed videos into your course. So I have here a YouTube video. I'd like to go to my page here. Okay. Let's say I would like to get a file coming from YouTube. So let me open up my file. And then under videos, these are some of the videos that I have. And then let's open up this link here. Okay, just open the file. So YouTube will load. Okay, so let's wait for the file.
Hello everyone.
So let's post this one. So we would like to embed this video to our course. To do that, just open the video, and then in this section here, click share. Okay, click here embed. Now I would like you to copy these frames. Okay, just select the file, copy, select, and then copy. Close it, and let's go back to this section. Now there are two options. The first one is let's directly embed the video to this to your canvas. So we would like to have the video here. Okay, so to do that, click on add activity or resource, scroll down. Okay, now what I would like you to do is to select here label, and then click add. So let's wait for the label to appear. Okay, so this is the label, and then all you need to do is to paste the link that we have there. Now, since it's an HTML link, click on more buttons here, advanced, and then select this item. Okay, and then paste it. Make sure that you change it this one. Okay, make sure that you enable HTML. So by default, let me go back. By default, it's like this. You have to click on this one so that you'll be able to see the HTML codes. Paste it, and then you have to change the size here. So let's say 640 by 360. Okay. After that, you click this back again, so you will see the video here. Now you can also type here a text that say this training part 3, something like that. Okay, and then you scroll down.
Hello everyone.
Okay, it will load automatically. This one here. So the thing when you use labels is that you will not have the activity completions where conditions are met something. Okay, so you'll not have the third option. That's what we did in the previous one. So save and return to course. Okay, and the video will automatically be loaded into your page. One disadvantage of using this approach is that, let's say you have 10 videos and the student is using data for its internet connection, so it will take time for you to download the files here. So we will be using another approach. So we will be embedding now to a page. To do that, scroll down. I have here add an activity or resource again. Scroll down, okay, and then I would like you to select here a page. Click add. Okay, now we'll be creating now a page. So this is, let's say, video video 101, like that. 101 there. This is video 1. This is optional until such time that you take this one if you like to see or to show to your students the description of what the video is all about. Now let's go now to the content section. Click on advanced, and then again click the HTML codes, and then simply paste the codes here. So again, let's update to 640 and then 360. So that's sort of an ideal size of your frame or your video. Okay, click on this, so it will load the video again. You can add additional text, training part 3. Okay, scroll down. Now if you go to activity completion, you will be seeing here show activities completed when conditions are met. Unlike with the previous how do you say that, the approach that we did earlier, the label, we did not see this approach. So let's click on this, make sure that this one is ticked, and then save and return to course. Okay, so the difference between this one, the first and second approach, is that the first approach will automatically, you'll be seeing the video here, and then on the second approach you'll have here a page. Click on the page, and then the page will be displayed here. So it's in terms of the loading speed, it's much faster if you compare to this one, but it's up to you which one will be the best approach. But I would suggest that we use this so that we could monitor our students in terms of the activity complete. Okay, so this is the adding resources to online. Please make sure that you have access to your Gmail account. Let's utilize this one. Go to your Drive, and then you could, well, actually you can embed different applications also, such as Slides, Google Docs, Sheets, and others. Okay, so please take advantage of the Google application that we have. Okay, so that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.